Hello students, this is part 4 of the K-map series, and in this video you will see 4 variable K-map with the minterm and the maxterm. But before moving ahead, I want you all to subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon also. Now students, 4 variable truth table in front of you with the first column of row number, then W, X, Y, Z are in front of you. Then we have the column for the minterm, and then the last column is for the maxterm. You can see here that minterm and maxterm. What is that? Minterm is the logical product of all the Boolean literals or Boolean variables in the given logic system. So just see here students that in the row number 0, all the variables are having the value 0. Alright. And when we look at the minterm, we find that all variables are present. But what is the second thing about minterm? Second thing about the minterm is that all the zeros are complemented, or all the variables with the value 0 are complemented. So you can see that W, X, Y, Z, all the variables have been complemented. So the minterm for the row number 0 is W dash, X dash, Y dash and Z dash. Then we talk about the maxterm for the row number 0. It is the logical, means maxterm is the logical sum of all the Boolean variables in the given logic system. So all the variables are here, and in between the variables there is OR operator also, right? And second thing about the maxterm is that here we complement once. So since is in this input combination or the input combination for the row number 0, not even a single variable is having the value 1. All the variables are having the value 0. So what to do now? We don't have to do anything with any variable. No complementation of any variable is going to be there. So the variables are written as it is because zeros are untouched in the maxterm and ones are complemented. So zeros are only there in the input combination. So it is W plus X plus Y plus Z. Alright. So similarly in all the other rows also you may see that all the Boolean variables are present, and you will observe that in the minterm, zeros have been complemented. In the maxterm, ones have been complemented. In the minterm, there is AND operator or dot operator in between the Boolean variables. And in the maxterm, plus or operator is there in between the variables. I hope everybody has understood the truth table well. You can just check it out. Similarly, the last row, if you look at last row, when all the input combinations are 1, then minterm is W, X, Y, Z, or W dot, X dot, Y dot and Z. Why? Because we do not complement ones, we only complement zeros in the minterm. Alright. And then we check the maxterm. All the variables have been complemented. Why? Because in the maxterm we only complement ones and zeros are untouched. So all the input combinations or all the variables are having here the value 1. So it's an input combination 1 1 1 1. So the maxterm is W dash plus X dash plus Y dash plus Z dash. So students, you can see a K-map in front of you. There is of 4 variables, WX for the row side and YZ is for the column side. 4 rows, 4 columns are there in this K-map, and you can check the values 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0 because it's following the gray code. So 0 0 will produce W dash X dash because we complement zeros. Similarly on the column side, 0 0 will produce Y dash Z dash. And now we move to the second row, that is W dash X because the combination input combination is 0 1, and then WX because input combination is 1 1, and then WX dash because the input combination is 1 0. Now we check out the column side. We have already seen the first column, that is 0 0, then 0 1, it is going to give us Y dash Z. Now then 1 1, it is going to give us YZ, and then we look at this 1 0, because of that we get YZ dash. Again I am telling you that we complement zeros, ones are untouched in the minterm. Now we check the first square, that is the square number 0. So here we take the w dash x dash from the row side, and we take y dash z dash from the column side. So we here get the product, the logical product, w dash x dash y dash and z dash. So it gets the value 0, that is a decimal number 0, and then we come to the square number 1, that is actually the second square. So here the row has got the combination w dash x dash and the column has got y dash z, so it is w dash x dash y dash z. Z is not complemented. Alright, then similarly we move ahead in the same row, w dash x dash, column is here yz, so it's going to be w dash x dash yz. Alright, now here we move towards the last column of the first row, w dash x dash, then due to column it gets w dash x dash y z dash. Similarly you can check the other combination 4, w dash x y dash z dash, then w dash x y dash z, then w dash x y z, because you can check the row was having the input combination w dash x and the column it is yz, then w dash x yz dash. Then we move to the square number 12, and here it has got the combination wxy dash z dash, then 13 wxy dash z, then wxyz, then wxyz dash. Then we move to the square number 8, that is wx dash y dash z dash. So here you can see that the combination is 1,0,0,0, so it is representing which decimal number? 8. So square is having the number 8. Similarly wx dash y dash z, it produces 9, then wx dash yz, then the square number 11, then wx dash y z dash, then the square number is 10. So I hope everybody understands now that how to specify the minterms in the K-map. Alright, of 4 variables. So students, here you can see a 4 variable K-map again, and in this one we are going to discuss the minterm, how to specify the minterms in the K-map. So here you can see the row side wx, and on the other side of the tail of the K-map yz is written, that is for the column side. And here we have to write the minterm. So you can see first on the row side everywhere it is w plus x. Alright, so plus will be there, and on the column side also when the yz is the combination, so we write there y plus z. Now depending upon the input combination we complement the variables. So in the max term ones are complemented. So you can see that when the combination is 0 0 it is w plus x, when the combination is 0 1 it is when the combination is 0 1 it is w plus x dash, when the combination is 1 1 it is w dash x dash, when the combination is 1 0 it is w dash x. Now we check the column side for the yz, the 0 0, so here y plus z, because we don't complement the zeros in the max term, we always complement the ones. So here 0 1, so we have y plus z dash, that has been complemented because it is having the value 1, and then 1 1, so both will be complemented, so y dash plus z dash, and then finally 1 0, it is going to have y dash plus z, because y is having the value 1, so y has been complemented, 0 has been untouched. Alright, now with the help of these variables we will find the values of these squares. So here it is w plus x plus y plus z, because you can see here it is w plus x on the row side, and at the column side it is y plus z, so it's a combination w plus x plus y plus z. So similarly you can check all the other columns also, like here you can see that w plus x is the row combination. For the column side it is w dash plus z dash, so it's going to be w plus x plus y dash plus z dash. Similarly here you can see for the 13, you can see the row side it is w dash plus x dash, column it is y plus z dash, so the final term will be written over there, that will be w dash plus x dash plus y plus z dash. So similarly you can check all the combinations and all the max terms here in the K-map. The best way to learn the K-map and how to write the minterm and the maxterm, just draw it yourself, right? You can take the help of the scale, pencil or pen, whatever you use, right? Not a problem. You can draw it freehand also, but it should be neat and clean. All the terms must be written clearly. All the operators must be used properly. What is the most important area which you have to take care of? That is when to complement and what to complement. Alright, and in between which operator is to be used. So please learn the definition of the minterm and maxterm properly. It's a very, very important concept. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel for more videos.